4-hour work week? If you're a genius like Tim Ferriss, maybe you could pull it off. But the next best thing, in my humble opinion, is a successful YouTube channel where you can work from home or anywhere around the world for that matter, and get paid up to 6 figures or more per year talking about your passions and interests. And if this sounds like a cool career or way of life, then let me show you how I've been able to do just that.
Hey guys, Credit Shifu here. This is a video about how to climb the credit card ladder. Over the years, I've lived in Hong Kong, London, and now in New York, growing my 9 YouTube channels to over 2 million subscribers, accumulating over 400 million views in just 7 years. You see, years ago, I was like any struggling YouTuber, working multiple jobs. From Uber driver to stacking shelves at Trader Joe's. Then after a few years, things really took off, and now I get to work 4 to 5 hour days, chilling out with my wife and 2 daughters while traveling the world pre-COVID. Do I look good in this light?
No, you don't.
And even going on tax-deductible ski trips. I have a skiing channel, so it's totally legit. So rather than making all the mistakes that I've made over the years trying to figure things out for myself, and just learning from free YouTube videos which are a bit all over the place, we've put together a step-by-step course for complete beginners, all the way to folks who want to transform their existing channel into a viral one that can attract 100,000 or more subscribers. Introducing our brand new course, YouTube Viral Mastery. A complete guide to building a successful 6-figure YouTube channel from scratch. Folks, this isn't just theory. 5 out of my 9 YouTube channels have over 100,000 subscribers, and 2 of them have over 500,000 subs, and they're in 2 different languages. Look, this is a proven, repeatable process. So long as you've got the drive, some talent, and you're willing to take massive action, of course. Disclaimer, this is not get rich quick, and my results are not typical. For those of you who don't know me, my name is Ben Hedges. You might have seen me or my business partner Alan on our Star Wars channel, Generation Tech. Yes, we make a living talking about Star Wars. Or you might have seen some of my credit card related videos on my Credit Shifu channel. Either way, over the years, we've developed a systematic method of taking our ideas and turning them into successful viral YouTube channels. In our brand new course, we cover topics like what niche you should pick that combines your interests and has money-making potential, what equipment to use, budget-friendly or the fancy stuff, editing tips and tricks that will give your video every chance of going viral, to our secret sauce of presenting in a manner that will entertain, educate, and keep your audience coming back for more. Yes, we do get into all the techie stuff too, so you can optimize your channel, do the right type of keyword research, title selection, end screens, clickable thumbnails, whilst leveraging trends. And then there's 6 or so ways to make money from your channel, so you can be raking in passive income and making money while you sleep. We leave no stone unturned in this high production, comprehensive A to Z course which comes with over 9 hours of core training, 628 slides and workbook pages. Plus, wait, there's more. Got questions? Post them inside the Q&A section of the course and we'll be happy to help.